Good afternoon. Hey, I'm here with James here in beautiful Walnut Creek, California. And today we talked about turning on our headlights financially, both from a financial management, value, and optimization work. And James, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure. I'm James Van Russel. I run a corporate finance consultancy called Van Russel Ventures, and we actually do a lot of fractional CFO work. So today's presentation was very useful and very applicable to what we do.
Well, I'm glad that you got a few tips, even though you're an expert. Okay,
Yeah.
So he got a few tips today about financial and management accounting. My experience, I was a chair for 8 years. I'm a speaker with over 530 presentations to about 8,000 Vistage members. My advice to you is the best decision you can make in your business life is to join a Vistage group. Not only for business, but I've learned a lot as having speakers come for my own personal life and helping me to improve. So I invite you to find a Vistage group in your area. It'll be the best business decision you make to then make more good business decisions. How's been your experience?
I've been in Vistage for about 2 years now, and I came in at a very challenging point in my business. And I would say that the last year, the business has grown 70%.
Whoa.
So that's great news. And I do say that the group that I'm in has been very useful, and especially presentations like Dale's really add to the value that is provided every month.
Well, here's a testimony from both of us. Find a Vistage group. It's the best decision you can make. Thanks for listening.